Hello everyone, this is a quick tour for the personal finance Notion system. The idea is to keep track of everything, where you are spending your money, and have all the balance for your accounts. So it's really simple. You can have any number of accounts you need. You can create new expenses and new deposits. Super simple. You will have here the current month and the expenses by category this month. This is dynamic, so you will always see the current month and you will only see the categories that have expenses. Here is the expenses by month this year, meaning in the next year you will see next year. Once again, this is dynamic. Here are the expenses by category this year. So you will see all the categories even if you don't have expenses. The idea is that you can see the complete year by category. For any of your accounts, you can go inside and see the balance, the status, the total of deposits, and the expenses total as well. Here you have the expenses, the amounts, dates, months, the category. You can have notes if you need to, and the same for the deposits. I will create a quick expense so you can see how it works. You just select the account for that expense, the amount, the category, the month, so you can relate it to the balance. In this case is October, and you can have notes if you want to. Of course, the date is automatic as well. For example, rent. So I just create this expense quick. Name, bank, amount, category, and month. That's it. And as you can see, the balance go down. Deposits is exactly the same. You just add a title, you select to which account you want the money in. I will add some money, select the month so we can track the balance, and if you need you can add notes or have a type for them. And once again the balance goes up. So the idea is that you know the actual balance of your different accounts. You know exactly where are you spending your money. You know how much you have been spending this month, always the current month, and again this is also the current month always. By month this year, or by category, you also can go inside each of the categories, see the transactions, and you will see this month, this year, the total, and Notion will show you here all the transactions. So here we have only one. You have the expense, the amount, the date, from which account, and to which month it corresponds. So you can go inside any of the categories and see the complete expense history. Let me pick another one that maybe has more expenses. For example, food. And here you have this month, this year, the total, and you have here, okay, these are the expenses, the amounts, the date, from which account, and the month it corresponds. So you can track everything about your money. If you go inside a month, once again you can see everything. If there are deposits, expenses, the amounts, the dates, the accounts, and the category. So you can keep track of everything related to your money and to your personal finance. The system comes, I will show here the databases, and you can see come with 3 accounts. These are just deposits, these expenses, the categories, and the months. You can add as many accounts as you need. Everything is automated. You just need to add the name. Deposits and expenses, well, when needed. Categories, again, you can create as many as you need, and everything else is automated. For months, the system comes with this year and the complete next year. You can add, once again, all the months you need. You just need to add the month, the range of the dates, and that's it. Everything else is automated. So this is the personal finance Notion system. I hope you like it. And that's it for this video. Bye.